Well, all you guys are complaining about this black hood. Now you don't have to worry about it because now it's white. Let's go to work. Holy smokes. It is snowing, that's for sure. All right, guys, we are here at the shop. My lens is kind of dirty. We're gonna clean it off. Better. What's up, Mitch?
What's up?
How you doing, buddy?
I'm fighting.
What are you fighting with?
Just some AC stuff. It's all good.
Oh, okay, cool, man. So, guys, we got the C5 in on the lift, and Mitch has been kicking ass on this thing, too. We got the headers put in, as you guys can see. We'll go on here on the other side of Mitchell, man. Show you this awesome Vortex supercharger. Now, this car did come with a Vortex supercharger kit already on it. We did a cam, some other little mods, headers, exhaust, and we also did a fully built DFR 4L 60E transmission with a custom stall converter in this car as well. So this should be a pretty interesting setup. We're kind of curious what the numbers are going to be. I'm not really sure how much boost he's pushing. We're also doing a meth injection system on it for him. He bought the kit, so we're going to install that for him as well. So this thing's about to get wrapped up, which is makes me pretty happy. Does that make you pretty happy as well?
Yeah. I mean, you know, I just want to get things done.
Oh. He just wants to get things done. That's awesome because I want him to get things done. And things are getting done, which is great. Not gonna lie, even the Cadillac is almost done, which is freaking awesome. We have the heat exchangers in, which you can't see, from Vatrer Performance Engineering, something like that. Vatrer? I'm gonna call it Vatrer. All right. I hope that's right. If it isn't, correct me. But we got the powder-coated black heat exchangers in here. You might be able to see it. You might not be able to. I don't know. They have them in aluminum and they have them in black. I decided to go with black just because to give it more of a sleeper look for the car. That way, when people see it going down the road, the only thing that's going to really give it away on the high horsepower is the exhaust note. So that's pretty cool. And we actually have the ZL1 still in here, which we're going to talk about that in another video. We're actually going to be taking that back to the dyno. Maybe getting some bigger numbers out of it. We'll see what happens there. But I want to start off with something cool, and this is what I want to start off with. Guess what I got in the mail? So I've been waiting about, I guess, a couple months for this. If you guys want to read that, you can pause the video and read that. That's the letter from YouTube. For the 100,000 subscribers, clack the silver play button. Here we go. Here we go. You guys ready? Boom! Da 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 da. So I got my silver play button from YouTube. I'm very, very happy about this. I've been waiting for a while. This is a big achievement, guys. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is pretty cool. So I have a question about this play button for you guys. I'm curious. We'll cover it back up here. Here we go, nice and pretty. We'll put our little thing right here. We'll put our little, they sent in a real nice box too, which is pretty awesome. We'll close it up and we'll put it back up here again. There we go. Stay. Good YouTube plaque. So I have a question about the YouTube silver play button. Real quick, a lot of people have done a lot of different things with their play button. They've burned them, they've shot at them, they've blown them up, all kinds of cool stuff like that. They've done burnouts on them, stuff of that nature. Now, I want to do something different. I want to do something unique to the channel, maybe something unique to my subscribers. And I'm asking you guys, comment below and let me know what you think I should do with this YouTube play button. Put your suggestions down below and we'll see if any of them are pretty good. If they are, well, I'll go ahead and do it. So let me know, guys. Let me know. I want to do something with it. I just don't know what I want to do with it. And I don't want to do the stuff that everybody else has done. I want to do something cool, you know what I mean? So give me some ideas. Let me know what you guys think, all right? Moving on to a little bit of mail time now. I know you guys are waiting for the big reveal of my Huron Speed Turbo, which is basically what this video is about. But just give me a few more minutes. There's some things that we need to take care of right now before we get, oh my God, I'm looking at it, it's so big. Anyways, so I have this letter here from Steve Smith. And if you guys don't know who Steve Smith is, I will tell you who Steve Smith is in a minute. That little nice Honda Repsol diecast. And he also sent me the Honda felt badge, whatever you want to patch, whatever you want to call it. So he actually sent me something else, and I'm pretty excited about this. I'm going to read the letter to you guys that he sent me. Hi again, Annie. I noticed your Grand Prix didn't have the factory license plate cover, so here's an extra one from my project 99 Grand Prix GTP. I'll show it to you guys. There we go. Check that out. Even says Pontiac on it. Freaking awesome. I sanded it so it's ready for either primer or just go to the white. I have 2 Grand Prix GTP coupes, a 98 and a 99. Mine's a 99, just so you guys know. The 98 has a great all-factory engine with only 79,000 miles on it. The 98 body is badly rotted though. The 99 has a much better body with a lot less rust, but had a bad engine I already removed. Many new parts from them, including new headlights, tail lights, and outer rocker panels, etc. Both cars have with all parts for X amount of dollars. I won't tell you what he wants. And he says on the back, it says, I see you still have the Honda wing patch on your shop wall. I occasionally see the little Repsol CBR 1000R model on the toolbox too. I'm the guy that sent both of them to you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hope to stop by there this spring on my Kawasaki 14R Ninja. Maybe that'll be a good race for the chicken. Or the C7, Mike C7. Maybe see you at the Efforter Cycle Gathering first Sunday in May and June. Can't wait. Later, Steve. So, you know, Steve, I'm going to talk to you here, buddy. Since you have these cars, and I do need something for these cars. I need some taillights. So I think what I'm going to do, Steve, is I'm going to call you. Hopefully you're awake. It's 9:30 in the morning. Let's see here. I hope this is the right number. Kind of scribbly. Put him on speakerphone. And I don't want to show his number. So... Steve, answer your phone. Hello, Steve. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm cleaning up the mess after yesterday, like you guys. In the Philly area here, we got all kinds of trees down and stuff I got to cut up. So just when I thought I was done shoveling snow, I got limbs and trees and all kinds of stuff to clean up. So back to the fun. Oh,
there you go. There you go. So listen, man. You know why I'm calling you, right? Probably not. Maybe you do. I don't know.
Not exactly.
Okay, well, I got your front cover that you sent me off of your Grand Prix.
Okay. I was hoping you had.
Yeah, I got it. Well, it's funny because I was looking up in the yard up back here, and I couldn't. There's a Grand Prix up there, but it doesn't have the front cover on it. So when I got this in the mail, I actually picked it up today and decided to make a little mail time video on it for you. But I thought it was really cool. And then when you were saying that you had 2 other Grand Prix, I figured I'd give you a shot about those. So that's pretty much why I'm calling you right now.
Well, I bought one outside of Boston, the 98.
Okay.
And it's purple. I just happen to like that purple. Go figure. Yeah, and it's a coupe. It's a GTP. And I test drove it and everything was good about it. And I bought it and drove it all the way back here to just outside of Philly. And I decided I was going to put it on the road and legalize it and all that. I was going to have it inspected, and it's so badly rotted, it's not worth fixing.
Yeah, that's what you said in your letter.
It's a shame because the mileage is so low. It's like, you know, and I screwed myself, but whatever. So then I bought a 99 GTP in West Virginia and towed that all the way hell up here for a parts car. And now I got 2 Grand Prix that one of these days I'll get around to finishing. Maybe. I don't know.
Well, basically what I need, and if you're willing to part with it, I need some taillights.
I have some brand new taillights.
I need some taillights. The ones that are on my car currently have some cracks in them, and they are leaking some water when it rains and stuff. But I'm interested in maybe buying the taillights off you if you'd want to give them away and sell them to me. Is that something you'd be interested in, or?
Yeah, they're just sitting in boxes, ready to be installed. And like I said, I have projects like you.
Awesome.
I'm 63 years old, and it's like, well, am I ever going to get around to doing all this work? But I have brand new headlights, brand new taillights in the boxes. These are the best aftermarket ones that I could find.
Really? Are they like the OEM style aftermarket, or just aftermarket like LED, or what are they?
No, I don't do that crazy looking stupid stuff like some of the young guys do. I like to put the OEM looking ones on there.
Okay.
And there's a lot of junk ones out there. I make sure I get the best ones that I can find on the aftermarket. So
awesome.
Yeah,
well,
I'm sure.
Cool. Well, what I'll do is I'll get off of this camera here so we can discuss pricing, and and we'll figure out how I can pay. I can pay it through PayPal or whatever the case may be, and I can pay it right now. But on the side note, before we hop off the camera here and discuss pricing, I do want to thank you for the front cover, man. That's really awesome. I'm, you know what? What do you think? Maybe we'll ask the viewers here on the video. Should I paint it black to match the hood now, or should I paint it white to match the car? What do you think I should do?
I think you should just go white.
White?
Yeah. I can tell you're not real thrilled about that part of it. But, well, but either color's easy. I was gonna spray it in my little body shop here, and I was like, I didn't have any white spray bombs, so I stuck it down with some 400 for you. So all you gotta do is either prime it or just throw some white on there and be done with it.
Awesome, awesome. It looks good. I like that you sanded it down really nice. So, all right, cool. Well, give me a minute here, and I'll be right back. Just hang on.
All right.
All right, guys. Let me know below in the comments. Do you want me to paint that front plate cover black or white to match the car? Put it down below and I'll do it and put it on. All right, guys. Well, big thanks to Steve for sending me that front plate, and we just got off the phone with him. He's going to be sending me some taillights for my GTP, which are going to be freaking awesome. And behind us we have, oh, that damn plaque's in the way. Gotta know what's going on here. So the moment you guys have, now it's covered up with plastic bags. The moment you guys have all been waiting for is the reveal of my Huron Speed Turbo for my Red Trans Am, the Red Rocket Turbo Kit. It's underneath this bag. You can see a little bit of it. It's a little big. So, you guys ready? I'm ready. I've seen it already. It's pretty fucking awesome. All right, we'll take the bag off. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. You know what? I'm going to give you, before we get into the details of this turbo, I'm going to give you a little idea of just how big this turbo is. Going into our trusty dandy fridge here. I don't have any sodas, but I got a beer, Perpetual. So this beer is just a regular canned beer right here. And I'm just going to use this as a comparison. It's not open. I'm just going to use it as a comparison. But here you go, guys. That there is the comparison of an average beer can to this turbo. Beer can, turbo. Not soda can, turbo. That's freaking crazy. That just gives you an idea just how big this thing is. We'll put this over here. We're gonna go ahead and talk about this turbo. Very big thanks to Huron Speed. Very big thanks to Huron Speed for hooking me up with this amazing turbo. And when I tell you guys this is an amazing turbo, it is an amazing freaking turbo. What we have here is an S400 Bog Warner, right here, Mr. Bog Warner, S400 ETR billet wheel turbo. It is a T6 housing. It is a divided T6 housing with a, I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a 1.32 exhaust housing on this. A 95 wheel, I think, if I remember correctly. 5-inch downpipe exit, or I think it's 5-inch downpipe exit. And then we're gonna go ahead and look at this beautiful, oh my God, look at that. Beautiful billet wheel. Look at this. So this is an S400, and I'm sure you guys are probably wondering what diameter this is here. This is a 80mm wheel, or inlet. So look at that. Oh my God, just beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? There it is, guys. That thing is just amazing in all sense of the terms. Just amazing. This turbo is rated for, if I remember correctly, this turbo is rated for 1,350 horsepower max boost, which is nuts. I am hoping just to get over about 1,000 horse with the Red Trans Am, which I'm pretty sure this turbo will have no problem accomplishing, especially with the turbo system and especially for the engine that I have, or will be having coming for this turbo setup, which is going to be freaking amazing. I'm excited, guys. Now that you guys know this big ass turbo that's sitting behind me is going on the Red Trans Am, you guys can understand I'm not messing around anymore. I'm gonna make some power. I'm gonna make some real true power And I'm going to do some real true drag racing with this car, and it's going to go very, very fast. That's the big reveal for the turbo. The next big reveal will be the engine. I got my head sitting down there. And I have a good old 92mm fast big mouth throttle body right there. That's going to be another thing we're going to be putting on. I know you guys are probably wondering, Andy, why didn't you get the 102? Blah, blah, blah. Well, because I got a real good deal on the 92, so I figured, what the hell, I'll pick up the 92, and I got it. So, other than that, guys, we're going to end this video. Hope you enjoyed it, if you did. And if you really like this big-ass turbo, here, we'll put the can in front of it just to remind you again what, you know, the size of that thing. That's a big snail right there. That's a big, big, giant snail. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. You want to say deuces, Turbo? You want to say deuces? Deuces. There you go, guys. He said deuces. Pretty awesome.